Let's learn Messy. It's choreographed by Dirk Leibing. It is a 32 count, 2-wall, absolute beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts. Talk about the ending, and then we're going to go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Messy. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do 4 walks forward, step right, left, right, left. We're now going to step our right foot to the right side. You're going to point your left toe into the diagonal. Step your left foot to the left side and point your right toe into the diagonal. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left doing your walks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to step our right foot back. Rock your left foot to the left side and recover onto your right. Step your left foot back. Rock your right foot to the right side and recover onto your left. We're now going to step back with our right, and you're going to hook your left foot over your right shin. So you'll make a figure 4 with your left knee as that foot comes up. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. We just pointed into the diagonal, stepping back with your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to step forward with our left foot. You're going to brush your right foot forward. We're now going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to do a 16th pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot, and you'll be between 9 o'clock and 10:30. We're now going to repeat that. Step forward with your right. Do a 16th pivot over your left shoulder. You'll be at about 7:30. And then we're going to do one more, squaring yourself up to the 6 o'clock wall. So you have 3 pivots to make a half turn in total. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our hook. You're going to step and brush. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4 and our final section of the dance. We're going to cross our right over our left. Step your left foot to the left side, cross your right behind your left, point your left toe to the left side. Cross your left over your right, step your right foot to the right side, cross your left behind your right, and point your right toe to the right side. And that is the end of the dance. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, crossing over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your walk. Walk, 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 step diagonal point, step diagonal point. Backside rock, recover, backside rock, recover, back, hook, step, brush, step, pivot, step, pivot, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, point, cross, side, behind, point. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, walking forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's talk about the ending. Your final wall will be a 12 o'clock facing wall. We're going to dance all the way up until count 28, which is your cross side behind point to the left. After that, we're going to change what we do to the right so that we can end facing 12 o'clock. So let's dance up to that part. Weight is on your left, starting with your walk forward. So it's walk, 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 side diagonal point, backside rock, recover, backside rock, recover, back, hook, step, brush, step, pivot, step, pivot, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, point. Right here, you're going to cross your left over your right. We're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 3 o'clock. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side to face 12 o'clock, and then point your right toe to the right side. So we're doing the same motion as our cross side behind point. We're just making it turn to the front as we do those steps. So now let's go around. On the front wall, I'm going to do steps. Back wall, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 4 walls of the dance. Weight is on your left, starting with your walks. Walk, 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 walk. Side diagonal point, back side rock, recover, back side rock, recover, back hook, step, brush, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, point, cross, side, behind, point, walk, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, walk, 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 side diagonal point, back side rock, recover, back hook, step, brush, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, point, cross, side, behind, point, walk, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. Now, there's no styling listed on the step sheet, but some of the things that I like to add in is on those side diagonal points, I kind of like to dip, or I'll kind of like roll my hips as I do it. So you can add some fun into that part if you would like. On the pivots, I also like to kind of like push my hip as I do it, just to add a little bit extra in. So feel free to do some fun stuff to make that dance fit you. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on the dance floor near you. I hope it's helped you learn messy. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.